Hey, I want to take a minute and show you this really cool all-in-one baby food maker. Right now I have the steam function running. I've already put water down into the base and locked on the blender portion and secured the lid. Inside you can see that I do have the blade already connected in there. It does come with this cool device. Sits in there rather than the blade, and you can steam eggs in there. Comes with a spatula to scoop all the food out as well. And this can also be used as a sterilizer for bottles, which is really cool. So as you see, I've got it on the AI selection right now. That'll steam it for 30 minutes and then automatically blend it 3 times at 12-second cycles. We can also change that to sterilize 20, 25, and 30-minute steams, as well as turn the blender on manually. I'll go ahead and show you how well that works. Very responsive when I hit it off. This is just a really cool all-in-one device, making food at home easy, inexpensive, and very, very healthy.